Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Aulia. You can call me Amanda. NPN 1441151. Legal aspect of the business. Legal aspect, an important part of the running a business. Customer, ensure that the business being run does not violate applicable regulation and has official permission from the government. Warna, complication of the listening documents requires for the business to operate legality. Jadi, aspek hukum itu adalah hal yang sangat penting dalam menjalankan sebuah bisnis. Aspek hukum itu memastikan bahwa bisnis yang berjalan itu sesuai dengan peraturan dan memiliki izin resmi dari pemerintah. Dokumen yang diperlukan harus dipenuhi agar bisnis dapat beroperasi secara legal. Objective of the legal aspect. The primary objective of the legal aspect in the business feasibility study is to ensure that the business operates in the full compliance with the prevailing laws and the regulation. Some of the objectives of the legal aspect are as follow. Jadi, Tujuan utama aspek hukum itu adalah memastikan bisnis itu beroperasi secara hukum dan menghindari masalah hukum, supaya bisnis aman, tidak kena denda, dan tidak ditutup dan tidak melanggar aturan yang berlaku. Objective of the legal aspect: ensure the business operates according to government regulation. The business must follow the rules set by government so it can operate legality and not violate the law. 2. Providing legal credibility for the business owners. Business legality provides legal protection for the owner because the business of the officially recognized by the states. 3. Avoiding the legal sentence. By flaunting all the premises and the regulations, the business can avoid fees or the business culture. 4. Protecting the right and the obligation of the business actor. The legal aspect regulation the rights and the obligation of the business owners, employees, and the owner practice influence so that the business runs fairly and orderly. Jadi, yang pertama itu memastikan bisnis itu mematuhi peraturan pemerintah. Kedua, memberikan legalitas bagi pemilik usahanya. Yang ketiga, menghindari masalah hukum di masa depan. Yang keempat, melindungi hak dan kewajiban semua pihak, pemilik, karyawan, dan lain-lain. Jadi, intinya itu biar bisnis kita resmi. Yang kedua itu biar aman dan dari masalah hukum, dan yang terakhir biar semua pihak terlindungi. Type of the business entities. Sole proprietorship of the business owner and the managed by the single individual the owner bears for the responsibility for the all business risks. 2. Firma general partnership. A business entity enabled by the two or the people who run the business together under a single name and share joint liability. 3. Community venture. A business entity consisting of the active partner who manage the business and the passive partner. Jadi yang pertama itu adalah usaha perseseorang di mana dimiliki oleh satu orang dan pemilik bertanggung jawab penuh. Yang kedua yaitu firma, dimiliki untuk beberapa orang dan berbagi kayak bertanggung jawab ya. Dan yang terakhir ada CV atau sekutu aktif dan pasif. Jadi ini adalah bentuk-bentuk usaha yang kita pilih untuk memulai sebuah bisnis. Tips 2. Perseroan terbatas. A legal business entity whose the capital is the defined in per share, where the owner's liability is limited to the amount of the capital they have contribution. 5. Corporation. A business entity constellation of the individual or the legal competitive mandates with the goal of the informing the welfare of the members. 6. BUMN, a company where part of the capital is the owner by the stars. Types of the business licensing and the owner premise. According to Kashmir and the Powarna communities, regulars business the premise include 1. Right business license, a premise granted to the company to conduct standing activity. 2. Business individual number is an official identification number given by the government to the business entrepreneur has the proof of the business is legality. 3. Taxpayer individual number. Taxpayer identification used to fulfill tax obligation. 5. Location premise, land use premise for the business activity. 5. Number premise has been the regulation was the often discussion in the older relations. The premise stating that the business will not cause any disturbance to the surrounding environments, and the 7. Will need premise permit to the contracts and the binding for the use and the business premise. Pertama adalah surat izin untuk menjalankan kegiatan bisnis. Kedua, identitas pajak bisnis. Ketiga itu ada bukti bahwa perusahaan itu harus terdaftar gitu ya. Yang keempat, izin lokasi. Yang kelima, dan menjamin usaha tidak mengganggu. Jadi, dokumen itu sangat penting supaya diakui pemerintah dan bisa beroperasi secara legal. The legal aspect is the very important is the running a business because it includes the form of the business entity and the various premise that the must be obtained so that the business can run legally, stable, and according with the applicable regulation. Jadi bisnis itu sangat penting mempunyai aspek hukum karena supaya bisnis itu dapat terhindar dari masalah-masalah di kemudian harinya. Oke, sekian. Thank you for your attention.